Listen, if you're a teenager or a young man in your early 20s, you need to hear this. Right now, you might feel like you've got all the time in the world to figure out money. But the truth is, the habits you build today will either make you wealthy or trap you in struggle for the next decade of your life. And if you keep doing what 95% of people your age are doing with money, you will definitely stay broke. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact money habits that quietly keep young people poor in their 20s. Most of these mistakes are invisible until it's too late, but once you spot them and fix them, you will be way ahead of everyone else around you. These lessons are simple, but they are rare. Hardly anyone your age even thinks about them. If you actually apply what I'm about to tell you right now, you will save yourself years of stress and put yourself on the fast track to financial freedom. Let's get into it. Habit number 1 is treating money like it's endless. Most young people get their first paycheck and immediately blow it. They spend it on clothes, food, gadgets, and night outs. That habit conditions you to believe money will always refill itself. But wealth doesn't come from what you make. It comes from what you keep. Every dollar you spend thoughtlessly today is money you could have invested to buy back your freedom tomorrow. Habit number 2 is avoiding learning about money. Your 20s are supposed to be the years you experiment and learn. Yet most people never read a single book about money, investing, or even business. If you don't understand how money works right now, you'll always trade time for it and stay stuck. Imagine if you spent just 30 minutes a day studying money. By 25, you would know more than 99% of your peers. So start learning about money today. Habit number 3 is living for status instead of growth. You purchased new phone, new sneakers, new car, all to impress people who don't even care about you. That's how people stay broke. The guys who win long term are the ones who choose skills over flexing. Every dollar you spend to look rich in your 20s, the less the day you actually become rich. Which takes us to habit number 4, thinking small with side hustles. Many young men stick to tiny hustles like reselling clothes, quick flips, or little gigs and never graduate to building something scalable. You know, it feels good to make a little cash, but if you don't channel that energy into a skill or a business that compounds over time, you will never escape the cycle. The small hustles should be a stepping stone, but not the destination. And lastly, habit number 5, not tracking money at all. You can't control what you don't measure. You know that, and I know that also. Most people in their 20s have no idea where their money goes each month. That's why they are broke. Even something as simple as writing down what you spend will immediately shift your behavior. Money respects structure, and without it, it leaves you. See, your 20s are the foundation of your entire life. If you cut out these poor habits now, you will be miles ahead by the time you hit 30. Imagine being debt-free, stacking investments, building skills, and already on the path to freedom while everyone else is trying to figure out how to do it. That's what's possible if you take this seriously. And I want you to remember, discipline with money now equals freedom later. Don't settle for average. Don't let these habits chain you down. You are young, hungry, and capable of more than you think. Stay focused, stay ambitious, and go build the future you actually want. Please do subscribe for more videos that will help you improve your financial life.